Okay, well, this was not the video we thought we were going to make this week. We thought we'd have iOS 26.3 Beta 3, but as you can see, today is Wednesday, January 21st, and that has not come to pass. So I want to talk about a couple of things for what to expect and possibly what is next, since we have iOS 26.2.1 on the horizon. Mac Rumors, 9to5Mac, they've all expressed the same thoughts behind who's visiting their websites on what software versions, and we know Apple is currently testing it. Now, having said that, we might not get a 26.2.1 at all, and sometimes Apple just skips it, bundles everything together, and puts it into the next major build. We'll have to see. We know 26.2 does have some issues. However, they haven't quite been as extensive as some of the other ones we've seen historically. And thanks to the holiday yesterday on Monday being MLK Day, and then also having not dropped anything else from last week because of the Verizon outage, it's been kind of crazy. So who knows what's really tied in to affecting these release dates. But again, being that it is now January 21st, we are definitely now knowing and pretty confident to say we are not getting this release for 26.3 to go public in January. Now we're looking at least around February 2nd or February 9th. And then also next week, a week from today on the 28th, Apple is releasing their new Creator Studio with those new bundled softwares. So there's a lot of things in motion. However, nothing has clearly come to pass. So now that you kind of have an idea about release date, Beta 3 possibly on the 26th or 27th next week, I wouldn't think it would go any farther than that. That'll put us back at the 2-week cycle. I do believe we will get the RC on the 2nd and the public release now on the 9th. This is much later than Apple typically releases the .3 releases, but it's kind of what we're looking at for this go round. One other thing too for iOS 26.4, in addition to all of the rumored now new Siri changes possibly going to be built in, we know that probably won't be in Beta 1. However, what we should see in Beta 1 are those new emojis from last year that Apple released. Thanks to that emoji contortion and all that, there should be about 9 different ones. We'll do a whole video on that when they actually come to pass. Now, if you've been wondering and curious what this has been doing performance-wise now for over a week, as you can see from the history of these benchmarks, it has been consistent with what we've seen for this whole release cycle. Yes, the numbers are a little lower, but again, being a beta, this is not surprising. And as we always say, this doesn't tell the whole story on how iOS is performing for the everyday consumer. I've had no issues with this actually. I've had one scenario where Springboard did reload and crash, but aside from that, connection for Wi-Fi, cellular, consistency in battery life, all has actually been present in this build. So as we've talked about before, in settings, general, and about, even though this does have that D build, we actually have been seeing much better results than what we have seen historically on to the second beta. Sometimes Beta 2s and Beta 3 have been significantly worse than Beta 1. Not the case here. It has been very solid. Now, one other thing I do want to talk about, since a lot of people are coming back to the forefront asking about downgrading, as we've said, I just don't want to recap, you cannot downgrade now since Apple stopped signing iOS 18 to any prior version without liquid glass or anything of that nature. So just kind of keep that in mind. If you still have not pushed this update to your phone, you might want to hold off if you're not a fan of liquid glass, but the build is solid, it is consistent, and it has not given me, like I said, any real issues. So that's it. Just wanted to go over this quick video for you guys today to have an idea of what to expect for the next beta cycle. We did think originally we would have had one on Monday or Tuesday this week, but clearly that was not the case. So let me know in the comments down below, how is Beta 2 working for you if you're running 26.3, and then what you're hoping for in the next betas as well. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.